to do a Korean curl style hair, step by step. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to show you how to achieve this Korean wave hair inspired by Jang Won-yang. Let's get started. Before applying hair oil, make sure to apply some between your fingers too. Thread your fingers through your hair like this to distribute it evenly. Usually, when people apply hair oil, it can leave the hair looking greasy and clumpy, so this step is really important. Use whatever oil is left on your hands to lightly smooth down the top of your head as well. Next, divide your hair into two sections, top and bottom, making sure both sides are even. For curling, point the clamp outward and start wrapping the hair around the curling iron from around neck level. Use a 36mm barrel, but for this hairstyle, a 38mm or 40mm size barrel might work even better. Pull downward while continuing to wrap the hair outward. Stay still for 10 to 15 seconds. For the bottom section, curling about 2 full turns is enough. Then keep pulling downward and curl inward slightly. Leave it like that first, don't brush it out yet. For the back section, do the same thing. Clamp the hair, roll it outwards, then count for 10 to 15 seconds. Pull downward, then add one more wrap. Pull it outwards. Then turn the clamp until it faces the front. Keep pulling the hair until it finishes the ends. On the other side, also keep the clamp facing outward and hold the curling iron diagonally while wrapping the hair out. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Slowly pull it downwards, then turn the clamp outwards to make another wrap. As you can see, I'm holding it diagonally. Patience is the key when curling your hair. If you do it fast, your hair won't curl. After curling the bottom hair, separate and clip them together so it won't get mixed with the top hair. Lift the hair up first. Start a little higher, wrap it once. Then pull downward and continue curling outward. When curling the front pieces, clip your bangs out of the way first. Then do the same curling technique. Practice makes perfect. I suggest you practice the curling technique with the iron turned off first, so you don't accidentally burn your hands. Do the same on the other side. Just remember to always curl away from your face. If you're using your left hand, move outward to the left. If you're using your right, move outward to the right. For the bangs, angle the clamp diagonally and gently bend them outward. Don't curl a full circle. Do the same on the right bangs. Just turn it and pull it away from your face. Now brush through the curls. Use a wide tooth comb. After brushing, this next step is very important. Gather your bangs and the hair behind them together so they blend naturally, creating that soft face framing curve around the ears. Repeat this a few times if needed. Do the same on the other side until it looks natural. Then use a hair wax stick or flyaway balm to connect the bangs with the rest of the hair so it stays in place better. You can also use it around the ear area to lightly set the shape and smooth out any little flyaways. If some sections don't feel curled enough, you can always re-curl them. Just make sure to let the hair cool down completely before going back in with more heat to avoid damage. This hairstyle doesn't have a super voluminous crown, but it's very full around the temples, so tease or lift the hair around your temple area upward like this for extra volume. So that's it for our hair curl tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip.